Hello, Mac here, and this unboxing and review is 2-in-1. This is the unboxing and review of the Winchesters Sam and Dean from one of the best and longest series, Supernatural. Now, let's take them out of their protectors. So here's the box. As you can see, it's kind of old, and I think there are some creases on its back, as you can see here and here, but that's okay, it's just the box. And at the bottom, as you can see here, it was released on 2017, so it's a 4-year-old Funko Pop. These Funko Pops are released along with Castiel, but I think Castiel is a lot harder to find. So there's the Castiel. Let's unbox this Funko Pop, and I just gotta say that I can't wait to unbox them. First thing that I want to point out is that they have the same body, same accessories, same type of clothes. The only difference about the two of them is their head, the face, and the color of the clothes that they are wearing. Well, it's great that they have different color of their jackets with blue and red, because even in the series they have different colored jackets, as you can see here on the pictures here. This Pops, I think, is based on the season 7 of the series, based on the hair of Sam, because his sideburns are more prominent on that season. So you can see here at the Funko Pop, he had his Elvis hair going on. Well, Dean's hair is always like this, it's always short, so it's not big of a deal. Well, for their attire, it's the same, but it has nice details, so I'm gonna take Dean to show you. So you can see the buttons are on a different color. He also have some, I think it's a watch and a bracelet. Looking at it closer, Dean has a ring. I forgot if it's the ring of his father. It's hard to focus. There you go. He has a ring, and Sam does not have any ring on his right hand and left hand. So I might research on it and put it here on what is that ring. I totally forgot it. And the texture of the pants is kind of rough, maybe to illustrate jeans. And also their shoes is just a typical shoes of a hunter. The knife that they have is flexible material, so be careful on bending it, as you can see. And it has no eyebrows like the latest releases of Funko Pop. Now, let's compare them with newer pops from a series also and see the difference, how Funko evolves in terms of details. First, with Berlin from the Money Heist series. And as you can see, the details is very, very different. Next, let's compare Sam to the professor also from Money Heist. I just show you the comparison just to tell you how the toy industry, just like other industry, is always evolving and updating their toys. Well, that's it for this review of Funko Pop Television Supernatural, more specifically of Sam and Dean Winchester. For me, personally, this has to be two of the best purchases that I have in my Funko Pop collection. The rarity, the memories of the series since it has ended is more than enough for me to buy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for everyday toys content. And also like my Facebook page, Max Collectibles. It will be posted on the description box below to keep you updated. Collect toys and good memories. Thank you.